Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App review. Today we're taking a look at this video right here on YouTube. Cash App free money tutorial. I make up to $200 every day with this Cash App money tutorial. So we're gonna go through this video and see what's going on here, see if it's legit or see if it's a scam.
Hello friends, today I am going to be teaching all of you guys about my secret method.
Secret method.
Now on an app, this is called Cash App. I'm sure you guys are familiar with Cash App, it's pretty popular. It's kind of like a money...
First of all, this isn't what the app looks like. We got some funny stuff going on here. Like, what is this? He's using some sort of modified app or app that he created himself or some sort of video that he's playing on his phone. That ain't right. You got two tab bars there.
So basically, I just hit this button right here that says add cash, and then I'll type it in.
So he's adding cash to his account, which is a standard thing anybody can do. This is not even the correct font right here. Cash App doesn't use this font, so another sign this is a fake video.
For now, let's do like 30 bucks.
So he's adding $30. It went into his cash balance. Again, this is a fake font. Cash App doesn't use this font.
30 Cash App dollars, whatever. I just hit the Cash App button.
Then he taps cash out.
I'll do standard because I'm not.
He's doing Touch ID on a phone that doesn't have Touch ID. So that's pretty crazy.
Do my normal Touch ID, and now it'll be in my bank Tuesday, and I think...
So cash balance went down to 0. So all he did was add cash from his bank and then cash out the same money to his bank. So essentially he did nothing. Then a fake email comes through.
But you guys can do it with as much as you guys want. And I have even Cash App. Enjoy, guys.
So essentially nothing happened. He created a whole fake app and fake video to do nothing. I don't understand this one. No one's making $200 a day. This isn't even a tutorial for anything. So completely fake waste of time. Hope you guys found this helpful. Don't fall for scams and weird tricks and gimmicks like this. If you want to find legitimate Cash App tutorials, finance app tutorials, check out the thousands of videos on my channel. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.